Hey y'all, I am just checking back in today. I want to give you another resource of a video chat option that you can use while we are not having on-campus programming. This way your group can still stay connected, you can still keep working through your studies, and you can see each other face to face, which is, it really is nice to be able to have that element to talk to each other in this way as opposed to just using text messaging. So the option that I'm going to show you now is through Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger actually has an option to do video chat. Just so you know, you can add up to 50 people, 50, for Facebook Messenger video chat, but it will only show you 6 people on the screen. So once you reach, once the 7th person joins in, whoever initiates the phone call, it's just going to show their picture and you'll be able to hear everyone, but you wouldn't be able to see everyone. So this would maybe be a good option for some smaller groups if your group is 6 or less, or if you have couples that could sit side by side and share a screen. If you have 6 or less couples in your group, this would be a great option for y'all. So I'm going to video my screen and show you how to do a Facebook Messenger video chat. Okay, so you're going to open up, if you don't already have it, you're going to need to get the Facebook Messenger app. That's that one that says Messenger with the squiggly white line through the blue chat box. Once you've got it downloaded, you're going to open this. This is going to have access to all of your Facebook friends. So if your small group, if y'all are friends on Facebook, you would be able to use this option. So to start a new video chat, you're going to press that top right box, the box with the little pin going through it, and you're going to select whoever you can search, or you can just scroll through and select your friends. So we're just going to select some right here. So you see those 4 up there. You can, again, like I said, you can do up to 50, but the screen is only going to let you see 6 people at a time, including yourself. So 5 other people. So once you've gotten your people chosen, you're going to press done. And then instead of typing in the text box at the bottom, in the top right corner where that video camera is, you're going to press that video camera. And it's going to call all of these people through Messenger. So when they accept the call, their face will come up on the screen and y'all will be able to video chat that way. Make sure, again, that if you don't have this app already, or even if you do have it, make sure that you allow it to have access to your microphone and your camera. That way everyone can see you and they can hear you. When you're done with your phone call, at the bottom right of the screen is like the end call button, and you just press that and your call is over. So that is how you would use this app to do your group time. Hope this helps.